How you doing? Mike Jr. here for Natorspacks guest appearance, sponsored by Upright Installations. Ultimate Collection, Baseball, 2007. Let's get started. Actually, we're gonna need those. There we go. Okay. 4 packs. Right there. Make those right there. First pack, first box with the first pack.
Need some help there?
Nah, we got it. We're in good shape. Okay. And we're off. Okay, first card.
Need a base card
Adrian Beltre, base, 450. Next card.
Ooh, we got a patch.
Roy Halladay, patch.
Nice.
Not a bad card. Goes with the patches. Okay, first auto, Joel Zumaya.
Nice.
Flame-throwing Joel Zumaya. Oh, this has the works of a good one. Oh, Chad Cordero, patch.
Wow,
Looks like a 3-color patch, ladies and gentlemen.
That's a nice patch.
3-color patch, 25.
All right, put that to the side.
Not a bad card. Not a bad start.
See what else we got.
Natorspacks. Off and running. Okay. Go with the scissors. I like to play it safe. Grady Sizemore, base. Not too crazy. Okay.
Got a patch.
Mr. Hafner, patch.
Nice.
Not a bad car. The underrated Travis Hafner. Okay, we got a Melvin Mora auto.
Oh, okay.
Melvin Mora.
Hey, former Met, pal.
Former Met, former fan favorite.
What do we got there?
A 4-person patch
Who are they?
of 25. Jake Peavy, Greg Maddux, Charlie's boy Khalil Green, and Brian Giles.
Wow,
Nice.
that's a nice pull.
All San Diego Padres at one time.
What
Nice
was that
ball.
number 2?
It's number 225.
Nice.
Nice pull.
All right.
Very nice
Mike.
pull. Okay, autos.
Okay, let's go to our next pack.
Gets the stick of that Melvin Mora out.
Boy, shakes, good call.
We call it a shaker.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
It's alright. Looking for that big hit. Looking for that big hit.
What is the big hit?
We're looking for it right now. Okay, Ryan Zimmerman, base.
Patch.
Mr. Patch, Joe Mayer.
Mawa.
Joe Mauer, Patch.
The hometown boy.
Blue color.
Stud catcher.
Just
Hometown
recently
boy.
signed a big
You got a
deal.
rookie auto there.
Corey Castro, rookie auto.
Nice. What's that last one?
Another patch, Alex Gordon.
Nice. I'll take
Charlie's favorite guy, Alex
it. My
Gordon.
boy, I hope he does a little bit better this
The
year.
guaranteed Hall of Famer, we like to quote.
That's right, bro.
Oh, okay, right.
Let me just show his face again. This is Mike Syracuse right here. Always wrong. Go ahead. Next card.
Good call, Charles. Okay.
You want to use the scissors?
Oh, let's just throw in they were working with a separated shoulder.
Yes.
Separated.
We don't go. We don't.
Taking one for the team, fellas.
We don't go on the DL.
We don't.
Not here at Natorspacks.
We don't go with the DL. Separated shoulder. Sling is off to the side. Throw the sling off to the side for this one. Okay. And we're off with our last pack. David Ortiz base.
Yeah, we got a patch there.
Teixeira patch.
Okay.
Share a patch.
One color
Okay.
patch.
I was ready.
Hunter Pence, the
Wow,
rookie phenom auto.
Hunter
very
Pence.
good
What
pull.
is that number 2?
That's a good pull. It's numbered to 297.
Right.
One of 297.
Wow, first one.
First one,
Set
first
Hunter
auto.
Pence down. Gave him 297 to sign. Signed the first one right
This was
there.
the first one that he signed.
Fresh pen, ladies and gentlemen.
Fresh pen, nothing worn out. Looks good, Hunter.
What's next?
And the last patch, Mr. Justin Morneau,
All right.
former MVP of the Minnesota
MVP?
Twins.
All right, let's go over the hits.
Okay, let's go back
Stole
over
it from your
these.
boy Jeter.
All right,
Start off with the patches.
we're gonna start off with the patches.
Kid Junior got some nice hits.
Justin
Very nice.
Morneau,
Very nice. Pulls.
Little Justin Morneau patch.
Mark Teixeira,
Mark Teixeira patch.
Alex Gordon.
Alex Gordon patch.
Okay, Travis Hafner patch.
The underrated Travis Hafner patch.
That is correct. The also dangerous Roy Halladay patch.
Nice.
And let's not forget the quadruple patch.
Quad patch.
It was,
Very
what'd you say, San Diego Chargers, I believe? I mean, Padres. Quad.
Okay.
Got the Jake Peavy, Greg Maddox, Khalil Green, and Brian Giles, number to 25.
It's a nice pull.
Nader of Nader's Packs favorite auto right here. Melvin Mora.
That's a comical auto.
Okay.
Hey, what are you going to do?
Joel Zamaya. Auto.
Zumaya. Nice auto.
Flamethrower.
Corey Castro.
Corey Castro, rookie auto.
Oh, we forgot about the Joe Mauer patch.
All right, we'll throw him in there.
Throw him in there.
Joe Mauer patch. I forgot about it, folks.
Hometown boy.
The three color
Oh, wait.
Chad Cordero.
We actually got
patch.
one more patch you forgot about.
The three color.
Chad Cordero. That's a nice patch.
And
Looks
my
like a letter.
personal favorite of the entire pack, the Hunter Pence auto.
Rookie auto. Nice. Take us out, Mike.
Thanks for your time. Thanks for sharing this with us. Caught on.